on, David. Oh, what a day. Oh, you and your old formulas. I could give you a real one. Spring, sunshine, flowers, beer, and a couple of luscious barmaids. Store that up and see what you get. This looks terrific. What happens? Another explosion?
Awakens from the deep sleep of winter. The flowers and trees open to the sun, seeking its life-giving warmth. It's spring. The earth teems with new life, and each plant stirs with the urge to reproduce its kind. Individuals die, whether they be human beings, animals, or plants. And yet life goes on. Nature has seen to that. For human beings, she's provided love, drawing them together with irresistible strength. And for plants, as we've seen today, nature has devised wonderfully clever tricks. But with all life, the process is fundamentally the same. With birds, butterflies, flowers. Sure, the bees carry on and the flowers carry on. But it's for us. And now, we'll review the 4 methods of pollination. First crew, to the boathouse, quickly. The rest of you take a good workout and get some of the fat off your lazy bones. Penny, you take charge.
Oh, thank you, Hannah.
Well, when do you expect them to study? That's all I ask. You're their tutor. That's your lookout. I'm giving them something worthwhile. The supervisors will have another name for us when they all flunk their exams on Monday. Better. Come on.
I never get a ride in that boat. Hold it! I got it! There goes the galley slave. It's all very nice to be on the crew, but what's the girl to do about her studies? They won't get me into one of those skiffs until they put in cushions.
Christa! Stop dreaming. Think of what you're doing. Come on now, get started. All right. Go! Go!
Line up. You're still 1 pound under. Watch those shoulders. Thereafter, I want you to stand against the wall night and morning for 15 minutes. And be sure that both shoulders touch. Next. Drop the towel. Look at those hips. Soft. Girls should be trim, hard. Get into the cabinet. You eat too much candy.
I like candy.
Thereafter, like it from a distance and stand up straight.
I'm used to standing as a...
That's better. Next. What is the matter with you, Christa? For the past few weeks, you've been acting stranger and stranger. A stroke is supposed to set a good example for the rest of the crew. I realize that you're hard-pressed with your examinations. But is there anything else on your mind?
No.
Good.
250. You're getting too much weight.
All right, one at a time.
Oh, it isn't possible.
Simple. Look, take this example. H equals the sine of y times the cosine a plus b times the tangent a plus y. What do you get?
A headache. What do you get?
So good to see you.
I haven't seen you for 2 weeks. I thought maybe you didn't want to.
Don't say that, David. I wanted to, only I had such a lot of studying. But I haven't opened a book. And the exam's coming tomorrow. I should be back there now.
Oh.
But I'm here.
Can't we go someplace?
What is it? You wouldn't be angry with me, would you?
What is it, Christa?
Oh, I'm so silly.
What's upset you, Christa? Is it your examinations? Are you afraid of tomorrow?
Afraid of tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
Terrified.
Here another day is dawning, just another lonely morning, just another day of longing for you. How I pray that I'll awaken and discover I'm mistaken, and it all was but a nightmare untrue.
If we could only sit like this forever, and tomorrow would never come.
See, it's ridiculous for a good student like you to be so afraid of examinations. Would you like me to quiz you a little and get it off your mind? Historical dates.
If you want to.
How'd the history quiz go? You're not likely to get any help from up there. Let's see. Oh, yeah. The Treaty of Westphalia.
1648.
Mm-hmm. Soderbrand War. The Soderbrand War, Christa. Say, you ought to know that.
David, I'm going to have a baby.